Hey guys!
So today we're going to have a look here in Disneyland Paris, construction updates, and we're also going to tell you guys what will happen in the near future.
So be aware that the date today when we're filming this is the 13th of September. So by the time you see this it will be a little bit later and things can have changed.
Yeah, probably the park is already a little bit further in the construction, but
hopefully.
I hope so. But we want to give you an idea about what is going on right now in the park and what you can expect when you come here for your vacation. And also, like I said, we want to give you an idea of what is going to happen in the near future. Well guys, let's start in Disney Studios because a lot is going on over there. Wow. Wow, that went so fast.
So smooth! This morning we entered on the other side of the main gate and there are still the old gates. But these, wow, amazing!
Yeah, very smooth. So, and also more entryways.
3 instead of 2 and no more hassle with the buggies because the buggies can pass through as well.
Yeah, that's a big benefit. Well, I think let's put them everywhere, please.
At the moment there's no theming for adventures or Star Wars. Stage is still up and there's a huge crane where Armageddon used to be, and we're now looking also at the back side of Motors Action Live, what used to be covered up by Armageddon, and the walkway has been split up and only half the size of what it used to be. So normally you would go all the way to the back into Aerosmith, which is closed as well, and even Blockbuster Cafe is closed. Not much to see over here. So now let's find where Elise is with her delicious ice cream. Here she is. So, how's the ice cream going?
Delicious. Oh no, they're tearing down the hotel. Just kidding. It's supposed to look like that, of course.
If you would go to the stunt show at the back, that's closed off now, so now we take the route that you have to take at the moment until the time that it's opened up again with a new attraction. So we're passing by Hollywood Tower, a little bit of J.J. Abrams over here, thank you, and we're gonna walk along here. Turn left in front of Studio Tram Tour, and there's already a sign over here. These are the people who are leaving the stunt show after 3 o'clock. So there's a whole stampede coming out of the stunt show.
These constructions at Walt Disney Studios are part of a large-scale renovation that will probably be finished around 2024. Before you travel to Disneyland Paris, check the attractions that are closed during your vacation to avoid disappointment. Rock 'n' Roller Coaster and Armageddon are closed indefinitely. Be aware that Crush Coaster will be closed from the 4th till the 15th of November 2019. In Disneyland Park, however, it is expected that in November of this year, after a long time, the Disneyland Steam Train will be running again. And Autopia will be opened in September of 2019. Enough to look forward to. Then there's also the Marvel Hotel that will be opened in 2020. This hotel used to be Hotel New York. Let's look at the progress of the renovation.
Wow, this is epic. Scaffolding all over. As far as I can tell, the platforms at the top of this building here in the middle of the frame are new. They look like helipads, landing pad for a Quinjet maybe. So maybe there's gonna be some helicopter or flying action.
Sorry to interrupt, but I have something important to tell you. You can win the new Arendelle Aqua Mickey ears because we are doing a giveaway. Want to enter? Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. The winner will be selected on October 12th. The draw is random and everybody can enter no matter where in the world you live. When selecting a winner, we will of course check if you are in fact subscribed to our YouTube channel and Instagram account. Good luck and happy subscribing! So we are wondering what these guys are doing over here. It seems like they are checking the windows. Now hopefully all these windows are brand new, but maybe they aren't and they are checking whether these windows are still okay and ready to be reused. However, we expect that they have been replacing all the windows for some new ones.
We just walked into Disney Village at the side of Earl of Sandwich, and there's something new over here. VR ride. It opens from 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it's open till 10. So maybe this week while we're here, maybe we can check it out what it is. Hey Elise, I lost you. Something new?
This is a new booth that I haven't seen before.
It smells good.
It smells so good, you can smell it all the way at the beginning of Disney Village. Yeah, nice.
Cool.
Very nice shop. Underneath the gazebo at the beginning of Main Street, there's a PhotoPass photographer now taking pictures. You can even hold a sign that says, for example, Home Sweet Home or something related to Disneyland Paris. And you have a perfect shot of the castle here at the end of Main Street. Wow, that's an awesome opportunity. Silence. Wait a minute. What's going on?
No waterfall? Dum, dum, dum.
Eventually.
It's in the evening and Star Quest is running. The VR temporary booth where you can play VR games. So let's have a look. Someone's going wild in their chair, trying and grabbing things. Oh, he's trying to catch Crush through a virtual world. Wow. Oh, it's now after McQueen. He's now following Lightning McQueen through this world. And this young lady is now starting. So she's totally in the dark. Oh, she's trying to catch Tinkerbell. Where's Tinkerbell? And yeah, oh, follow Tinkerbell. Reach. There you go, there you go. Now he's following the train. And there's Tinkerbell again, above the castle. Oh, that's a high score. And there's a daily ranking for the best players. I don't know how much it costs. Looks like a sponsorship by a French telecom company, Orange. Well, that's something fun to do. These were the construction updates for now. Maybe we will do some others in the future. We don't know. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, and if you like this video, maybe it's time to subscribe to our channel. We figured out that most of you guys aren't subscribed to our channel, but you watched this video till the end, so maybe it's time to subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so we can make more of these videos for you guys. And did you know that we are on social media as well? We are on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. So if you like to see more of us, please subscribe to our social media channels as well.
And for now, this is what we say at the end. Maybe next time we'll see you in Main Street. Bye! Come on guys, it's over! Well, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!